What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi icon from settings, Windows 11 not showing Wi-Fi. So, if your Wi-Fi icon is not appearing in your Windows 11, but there are a few things here that you may want to try. So first is first is you may want to check a few settings here. So sometimes your Wi-Fi may have been accidentally disabled, so you need to re-enable it. So you want to go to search here, just type in control panel, and in here you want to look for network and internet. Want to open it up. You want to go and choose the network and sharing center. That should show you different connections that you currently have, but we want to go ahead and choose our to adapter settings here. So yeah, so these are the adapters that you currently have right now for whatever network you currently have. So as you can see, we have our Wi-Fi as well in here. So what you need to do is you want to go and right click on it, and you want to make sure that you enable it. Now if it's already enabled, you may want to disable it, and then you want to right click on it again and just re-enable it again. So sometimes this will solve those issues. And yeah, also if you're already using, like for example, you're using your Ethernet cable for your internet connectivity, typically speaking that will take over your Wi-Fi connection. So if you really want to use your Wi-Fi and want to see it in here, typically speaking, you need to unplug your Ethernet cable in order for you to see the Wi-Fi icon, because again, internet cables are going to be a lot faster than Wi-Fi connections. Now, also, you may want to do a 2D troubleshooting option here for Windows 11. So Windows 11 has its own troubleshooter. So you want to go to search, just type in troubleshoot, and open up troubleshoot settings. And in here, you want to go ahead and choose the option for other troubleshooters. And you want to look for the option for network and internet. You go and click on run, and just let it run in the background and see if there are any problems. If there are any problems, it will notify you and it will give you like fixes that you may want to do or you could try. But yeah, you can go and just do that. You could go and run a network test here. You can exit network testing if you want. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.